The three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. 1. Explanation of Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. At the pulsating heart of Ayurveda lie the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. They are the ethereal principles of energy that orchestrate our physical and mental symphony. Picture them as the primordial forces of wind, Vata, fire, Pitta, and earth, Kapha, dancing within us, conducting the harmonious ballet of life. 2. Characteristics of each dosh. Vata, the whispering wind, is light, dry, and cool. It whirls and pirouettes through the body, a force of boundless movement and relentless change. Pitta, the crackling fire, is hot, light, and fierce. It is the master of metabolism, the flame that fuels transformation. Kapha, the nurturing earth, is heavy, slow, and cool. It provides the stage upon which the dance of life unfolds, lending the body structure and stability. 3. Role of doshas in the body. In their harmonious state, the doshas compose a melody of health. Vata, the breath of life, courses through the body, the maestro of movement and communication. Pitta, the inner fire, stokes the furnace of digestion and metabolism. Kapha, the unyielding earth, provides the solid ground, the structure and lubrication that allows the dance of life to proceed unhindered. 4. Effects of dosh imbalance on health. When the doshas lose their rhythm, when they falter and stumble, they give rise to discord, to a cacophony of health issues. An excess of Vata might swirl into a tempest of anxiety and insomnia. Too much Pitta could fan the flames of inflammation and anger. An overabundance of Kapha could weigh us down into lethargy and obesity. The dance of life becomes a struggle, a battle against the self. Imagine the beauty of a body in balance, where the wind, fire, and earth dance in harmony. Now, visualize what happens when one dancer falters, when the rhythm is lost. Feel the turbulence of a windstorm, the scorching heat of a wildfire, the oppressive weight of a landslide. This is the story of the doshas, a tale of balance and imbalance, of harmony and discord. In the end, Ayurveda is the art of restoring this balance, of choreographing the dance of the doshas to the symphony of life. It's about tuning into your body's unique rhythm, understanding its needs, and nurturing it to create a symphony of health and well-being. It's a journey of self-discovery, a dance with life itself. And you, dear friend, are the dancer. Continue to the journey of Ayurveda.